100 English words that start with D. Listen and repeat for beginners.
Hey there! Welcome again.
You're back on English podcast. We're glad you're here.
Today's lesson is all about learning new words.
100 useful English words. Starting with the letter D.
Just listen carefully and repeat after us.
Practice with us and grow your vocabulary.
Speak out loud. Don't be shy.
Step by step, your English will improve.
Dad.
Dad.
Daily.
Daily.
Damage.
Damage.
Dance.
Dance.
Danger.
Danger.
Dark.
Dark.
Darling.
Darling.
Data.
Data.
Date.
Date.
Daughter.
Daughter. Nice work so far.
Let's keep going. We've got more words coming. Day.
Day.
Dead.
Dead.
Deal.
Deal.
Dear.
Dear.
Death.
Death.
Debate.
Debate.
Debt.
Debt.
Decide.
Decide.
Decision.
Decision.
Declare.
Declare.
Great. You're doing amazing.
Let's say the next set together.
Decline.
Decline.
Decoration.
Decoration.
Deep.
Deep.
Defeat.
Defeat.
Defend.
Defend.
Define.
Define.
Degree.
Degree.
Delay.
Delay.
Delete.
Delete.
Delicious.
Delicious. You're learning fast.
Just keep repeating with us. Deliver.
Deliver.
Demand.
Demand.
Democracy.
Democracy.
Demon.
Demon.
Demonstrate.
Demonstrate.
Deny.
Deny.
Department.
Department.
Depend.
Depend.
Deposit.
Deposit.
Depress.
Depress.
You've made it halfway.
Only 50 more to go. Let's go.
Depth.
Depth.
Describe.
Describe.
Desert.
Desert.
Design.
Design.
Desire.
Desire.
Desk.
Desk.
Dessert.
Dessert.
Detail.
Detail.
Detect.
Detect.
Develop.
Develop. Amazing progress.
Let's power through the next words. Device.
Device.
Devil.
Devil.
Diamond.
Diamond.
Diary.
Diary.
Dictionary.
Dictionary.
Die.
Die.
Diet.
Diet.
Difference.
Difference.
Different.
Different.
Difficult.
Difficult.
Almost there.
Just 20 more. Stay with us.
Dig.
Dig.
Digital.
Digital.
Dine.
Dine.
Dinner.
Dinner.
Dip.
Dip.
Direction.
Direction.
Dirt.
Dirt.
Disability.
Disability.
Disagree.
Disagree.
Disappear.
Disappear. Final stretch.
Let's say the last 10 words. Disaster.
Disaster.
Discipline.
Discipline.
Discover.
Discover.
Discuss.
Discuss.
Disease.
disease,
dish,
dish,
dismiss,
dismiss,
display,
display,
Distance.
distance.
dive.
Dive! Woohoo! You made it through 100 D words.
That's some real progress. Well done.
Watch this video again and keep practicing.
Speak more. Learn more every day.
Subscribe to English Podcast.
For more videos like this one.
Improve your English with us.
And we'll see you next time.